Hi, I'm ALTBAE. I love crypto, no FOMO. I'm here to talk about my top 5 meme coin picks for 2024. If that sounds interesting to you, please give me a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And as usual, I must let you know I am not a financial advisor. Please do further research before you invest any money and only invest what you can afford to lose, especially with meme coins. They are very high risk. So let's get started. So the first one is Pepe. I think it can do quite well. It's available on multiple exchanges. It's been around for a while. It's got the whole 42069 uh, kind of meme here in itself. And let's go on to the max range here. So as you can see, past 30 days, it's gone up 46%. So and it's gone up 27.8 since the all-time low. Well, since then, I guess 8 months ago. But it really at the beginning of April it shot up and it's been down. I think it can perform well one more time. The next one is Wojak. So Wojak is has been around for ages in the kind of meme community. I know on YouTube there's a content creator who does kind of short stories with Wojak and other kind of meme characters. Low budget stories. It's quite funny. So past 30 days, up 70%. It's available on multiple markets here. Again, the whole 69420 thing on here. Um, Moving on, Wall Street memes. So Wall Street memes is still fairly new. It hasn't really taken off yet, in my opinion, apart from when it kind of first launched. Kind of had a pre-sale going on, a lot of marketing, and I saw lots of banners on CoinGecko itself at the time. Has gone down since then, and this is the whole kind of ethos with like Reddit. There's like a Wall Street bets Reddit, so it's all kind of celebrating degenerative plays, and it's a big middle finger to institutions. And there's a whole like GameStop with the short selling. I don't know if you remember that some time ago, but this is kind of like the meme token for it. High risk. At the moment, it's at 0.002. So the all-time high was 0.007. So if it did go back at those 3.5 times money, maybe it can go up. It's up to you to decide if that is for you. Did I touch on the markets? I can't remember. I'll just scroll down for you. You can take your pick of which marketplace you would like to, if you do want to buy, where you can get that from. The next one is AI Doge. So AI Doge, look here, their X profile, their Twitter profile has been hacked. So this might be a one where I would urge extra caution. Maybe hold back from uh, potentially buying this if you do want to. Past 30 days has gone up 21.6%. Really, this is really high risk. This is kind of the whole kind of like Doge with like Elon, but there's AI as well available on these markets here. I think this is the most high risk of the ones that I'm discussing in this short video. I do want to keep this brief. The next one is Vita Inu. Just since I clicked on Bonk, this was like a honorary mention I wanted to let you be aware of. It's had two kind of really good cycles here. So early on, you had the kind of like Dobbo, and then you had Bonk come out. I think this was like a 37x or something, but it's really just shot up there. So it might be worthwhile to maybe want to sell now. I don't know how long this is going to go on for, but yeah. So just want to keep an eye out. So this is available on Mexi Global, Mexi, and it's available on KuCoin, Bitmart, other exchanges here. So yeah, let's go back on topic onto Vita Inu. let me just, if I just type in Vita Inu here. So I think this is one that can do quite well. I don't think many people are talking about Vita Inu, apart from maybe on Twitter. If you haven't done so, my Twitter is ALTBAE 2023, where I don't always have time to post videos. I might just put my comments of what tokens I'm looking at. But this could be quite high risk. I think it's one where I'll either have egg on my face, or this will be one of the smartest meme coin plays that I have done. There's the trust score here is yellow, which we really want that to be green, but it's available on other lots of marketplaces there. Obviously, with the roadmap, they do mention about the products that they want to have for the Vita Inu project. So let me know those picks. Do you agree with these? Disagree? And just let me know what you think about the meme season in general. Do you think we're going to have another meme season in 2024, or do you think it's all going to be related to gaming and AI or other categories? I'll see you in the next video.